Welcome to the channel. Today, it's going to be a quick little video, easy install video. I picked up a product, relatively cheap. It's supposed to give you better wind protection for my 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, I greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you enjoy motorcycle content, that's what this channel provides. Let me show you. On my Road Glide Limited here, they have these little wind deflectors right here. Okay? You can see them right there. All right. I don't know if they do much, really. I don't really feel it, but we'll see. I picked up some new ones. They're a little bit larger than the old ones. Okay? I don't even know how to say it. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see. Come on, focus. Focus. Veister. V-E-I-S-U-T-O-R. All right. Let's open this up. Comes with some instructions, which is very basic. Air deflector for Harley Davidson, all right? And the instructions basically say, take your old ones off, put the new ones on. And here are the new ones, okay? I don't know what they say what side. All right, I take it that these ones, let's see. They don't say. I think these ones are this side here. All right, maybe. Ooh. Oh, you know what? I wonder if these are. Let's see. I wonder if these will work with my, I don't know. I wonder if these will work with my lowers. These might not work. Let's see. See, I thought they went like down there. Let's see here. They go like this, right? Yeah. Like that, right? Yeah, okay. Like that. So they do stick out a little bit more. See? Here's the old one, here's the new one. Okay. All you need is a T25 torque. Take these out. Two. Okay. Now I'll keep these for possibility of using them again or something. Now we'll put on the new one. Just wipe this down a little bit. Put that screw in. Now it is real close. I don't know if you can see it. Well, you won't be able to see it, but I'll show you later. But it's real close to hitting my lower here, my lower fairing. And you just put the screws back in. It's a little hand tight. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to crack them. Okay. All right. What do you think? See? I don't know if you can really see. It's barely right there. Oh, barely touching. Not, well, no, not even touching. It's just barely right there. Okay. All right, let's do the other side. Okay. 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 Wipe it down a little bit. All right, get all the dirt out of there. So I just want to show you the difference here. I don't know if you can see. Original, new one. It's a little bit bigger. It's wider. All right, now put the screw back in there. Okay, just give it a little snug. A little snug. Okay, new one, old one. There's quite a difference. All right, and that one's just barely off my lower. So it does work with lowers, so in case you were wondering. All right, I'll go out for a ride later. I got to get the bike off the wheel chock center stand there. And I'll let you know if I feel any difference. This may be a gimmick, I don't know. We'll see you later.
2 hours later.
All right, well, I don't know if you can see, but there's the wind deflectors right there. I don't notice a real difference, so this might be a little gimmick, but I don't notice a difference. But don't notice a difference. I had to goose it there a little bit. My first time out on the bike, just out for a test ride. Yeah. But yeah, I don't notice any difference. I don't know. Can't really tell. They look good. I don't know. I really can't tell. So it's up to you if you want to, you know, spend the money on them. I tried them. I don't think they make a difference, but they do look a little good. They look cooler. Anyway, that's it. All right, that's the end of today's video. What do you think? They look a little, you know, not too shabby. They look like the originals. There's been, you know, in the reviews, you know, some people have gotten them where you can see little cracks in them, but the ones I got, great. You know, is it a gimmick? I don't, you know, we'll see. But they're relatively cheap. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. They are bigger, gives it a different look. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if you can see over on this side where there's more light. There you go. I don't know if you can really see it, but they are bigger. If you are interested, check them out. Anyway, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you're interested in seeing some more, hey, check out this video right here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Be safe out there.